If you're looking for a super affordable radial front runner tire for your big and little setup, the Classic All Season would be a great choice. Now, the tire that we are featuring here today will be a 165/80R15 sizing, which will work out to be roughly 25.5 inches tall and approximately 6.5 inches wide. This will make it a perfect fit for any 15 by 3.25 or 15 by 4 inch wheel, all for around $80 per tire. So the Classic All Season that we're featuring here today is going to be sold for the sole purpose of running as a skinny or front runner. I would say primarily on the earlier Mustangs such as your Fox bodies or SN95s due to the smaller or shorter sizing. Now, that's not to say you can't run this thing on your S197, but in my opinion, this tire will be a little short for the front of those cars, and therefore at that point, I would probably recommend a 26 or 28 inch tall tire instead. But aside from the sizing and general use of the Classic that we have here, this tire will be a very bare bones or basic option that will be suitable for all season use. But let's be completely honest, guys, if you're using this on your big and little setup, then chances are you're not really going to be seeing much snow or rain with this tire. But if you do, it's nice to know that this thing will be able to handle those conditions. Now, the Classic All Season has been DOT rated and does feature tread wear numbers of a pretty soft 280, while traction and temperature grades are both a B respectively. Also keep in mind, yes, this is a steel belted radial, which means it's going to pair nicely with any drag radial out there in the back, but can be used with a bias ply rear if you'd prefer. But I would say one of the best things about the Classic All Season is going to be the price. It's an incredibly affordable option compared to your other 15-inch front runner on the site at this time, which is the Mickey Thompson Sportsman SR. It's a great tire, don't get me wrong, but it will be nearly double the price of the Classic that we're talking about today. Now, the Classic is also going to be the only 15-inch front runner to give you this kind of diameter. So yes, your options might be a little bit limited, but it's nice to know that you're not going to have to fork out a ton of money to get this on your setup. And with that in mind, it's also nice to know that you can take advantage of our free mounting and balancing with the 15-inch front runner of your choice here on the site, while also being qualified for the optional nitrogen fill in addition to free shipping and handling. So again, if you're looking for an affordable 15-inch front runner option, the Classic All Season tire here would be a great choice, and you can grab your set right here at AmericanMuscle.com.